Hey guys, so today we are going to be actually showing you the exact system that has helped me generate over 15K in 48 days. And I'm so excited to show you this because, it changed my life, so I'm ready to change your life. Let me get on to the software. Awesome. So we're going to go right to the software and basically we're going to jump right into it. Okay? So the software is very, very, very straightforward. Okay, it's a lead CRM. So you have a lead CRM right here. This is where all your leads are, and the people you're talking to, and everything like that. You can put them in different columns. It's pretty awesome, and it has really influenced me to keep on going with it, right? Because it's so awesome. It's so awesome for the average person. When it's awesome for the average person, and the average person can utilize it, you can make more money. And number two, it make very simple to actually create trainings, right? This is really me, Rory Bressler. Okay, so this is not like a fantasy land software. This is actually the real thing. Okay, so now we're going to go into a leads manager. This is where you can really see where your leads are and just really feel the organization of the being organized, right? It's like the most grateful feeling, and it so makes you feel so relaxed, and now you can really be laser focused on closing more deals. Okay, so now we're going to go to tag manager. Okay, tag manager is a very simple thing. So if I want to create a tag on health, right, I'm going to really go here and let's make it a nice color. Let's make it a beautiful, let's make it pink. Okay, beautiful pink. All right, now we're going to go right here. Now health. Now you can put people inside that column that's into health. Maybe that's your target market. If you're affiliate marketer, then you put people underneath there. It's very simple, straight to the point. So now let's go down to um, the bulk messaging system. Okay, this is so awesome. So if you ever done like email marketing, this is really going to make sense to you. So you're going to get the title of the campaign. And then you can go to right here. Okay, now I'm going to pick a date. It's the 6th of August 2022. So I'm going to pick a time. So 12:57. And boom. And then we're sent. So now it's going to send to him and that tag. Not him, other one. So at 59 after, it's going to be sent to him. Okay, very simple, straight to the point. Okay, now we're going to talk about the best one I love, and a lot of my clients do love this. It's actually the birthday greeter. So you're going to put like happy birthday. I just put a bunch of happy birthdays, and then I press save, and then I'm going to press review, and it's going to send happy birthday to these people. But I already did it today, so I'm very consistent in doing it. It's very easy. It's very easy to use. I mean, very easy to use, and when it's very easy to use, man, it makes life so easy. Okay, so a lot of my clients are asking about the auto greeter because they want to send a welcome message to the new people that are becoming their friends, right? People that accepted their friend request. So we have a solution for that. Okay, so now right here, this is where you write your greeting message. I wrote mine and I press save, and now we go into actually auto sync. So now it's looking for my new friends. It's not going to find no new friends because I already did this in one of my training videos. So so now it's already done for the day. Now I'm gonna send no friend requests out today, so there's going to be no new friends. But now it's just strolling through my Facebook, doing its thing on its own. I'm not doing nothing. So it's a great thing. It's a great software. It really is. I mean, when this software came out, it changed my life. It really did. So now, maybe a lot of you guys like to engage, right? Maybe you don't got enough time to engage. So this is where you can really write some messages, like comments, and then you go, after you're done doing them all, you just press save. Then you do right here, and it's going to do exactly that, right? It's going to engage with the audience. But I already did that today, so I'm gonna calm down. I don't want it to be blocked in any way. And then we got friends. So here's all my friends on my Facebook. So what I do personally, this is what I personally do. So if I want to put this person into a tag, I'm going to go to the Facebook and I'm going to read up on them, right? And then I'm going to put them inside of a tag and do it here. Then I'm going to put them right here. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to press save. Now he's in my tag. Okay, very simple. Very simple. I mean, it could be a little bit time consuming, but after you have these people in the tag and you have conversations with them, now you can start booking more calls with your prospects, because you want to turn those people into prospects into your business, and it's going to generate you more income. And if you have the right system, you can make passive income, and passive income can change your life. We have group tools as well. We have content, content get it, content. No, but seriously, content software too, inside of one software. So you're getting everything that you need for your Facebook all in one area. And this is why it's so powerful to have, because now you can be very customized and you can create everything that you are going to do inside of the software for your Facebook. So that's all the tools for today. So if you got any questions on how you can get started today, let me know. Inbox me today and I will talk to you, and we will jump on the Zoom call. I will talk to you very soon.